Let us see in this video how to create a bank payment voucher against purchase bills. A bank payment voucher against purchase bills is used to record payments made directly from the company's bank account to suppliers or vendors for goods or services purchased. Let us take one supplier and one bank to make an entry. Select the bank, State Bank of India, supplier name, Government e-Marketplace, bill number GEM001. Log in with the username and password of the creator's login to create a bank payment voucher against purchase bills. Log in with the username and password of the creator's login. Click on Login button, click on Financials, click on Transaction, click on Payment Receipt. Navigate to the Payment and Receipt screen. To create a bank payment voucher against purchase bills, click on Pending CR Documents, click on Pending Payables. All the pending payable documents will be listed with party name, document type, bill number, bill date, bill amount, and pay amount. Select the document that has to be paid. Click on the Create button. Users have two options, Single and Merge. Single is used to make a payment to a single party, while Merge is used to make a payment to multiple parties. With the single check-in type option, users can choose between bank and cash. They must select a bank. In the Payment Mode field, users have four options available: check, RTGS, NEFT, TT transfer. Check, a written order to the bank to pay a specific amount from user's account to someone. RTGS, a fast real-time transfer of large amounts of money between banks. NEFT, a system to transfer money in batches between banks, usually processed within an hour. TT transfer, an electronic transfer of money, often used for international payments. Choose the payment date and select the bank. Click OK to create the bank payment voucher. If users missed adding any account, they can add it through Get Document. Click on Pending Party Document. From here, users must select the account to add. If users missed adding any bills, they should click on the Add button in the Line section. Click on Pending Party Document and select the missed bills to add. To view the selected bills, click the View button. If required, users can delete bills or modify the amount, but it can't exceed the original bill value. Select the Create Journal checkbox. Once the journal is created, click on View Journal to review it. The party account will be debited and the bank account will be credited. To review the document, click on Post. Click on Post to forward the document to the supervisor. Click OK. Navigate to the supervisor login to review the document. Click on the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. To review the document, click on the Detail button. Once the document has been reviewed, click on Approve to forward it to the manager. Click OK. Navigate to the manager's login to approve the document. Click on the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. To review the document, click on the Detail button. Once the document has been reviewed, click on Approve to approve the document. The document has been approved. Navigate to the creator's login to view the document. Click on the Login button. Click on Financials. Click on Transaction. Click on Payment and Receipt. Navigate to the Payment and Receipt screen. The document is shown in Issued Status. Thank you for watching this video.